Hey everyone, John here, and today we have a bit of an unboxing video. As many of you know, I absolutely love Lodge cast iron. It's one of my favorite things in the world. They kind of had me at Made in America. It's the oldest running foundry in America that makes cast iron cookware. And they've come out with a premium set of cast iron cookware. And I picked up a skillet for my wife. She does all her cast iron cooking in the house on the stovetop, but we don't have any Teflon pans, stainless steel pans, anything like that. It's all cast iron skillets. From frying eggs to, taking something, cooking on the stovetop, popping it in the oven. It's just so versatile and just stands up forever. The last time I bought her a skillet was 10 years ago, and I figured I'd treat her to a new one. Now, this series is considered a premium piece of cookware, and I'll tell you, it felt like it when I had to pull out my wallet. This is a 10¼ inch skillet, and it was $60. Now, a regular Lodge 10¼ skillet is like $15 on Amazon. These can only be bought from Williams-Sonoma or the Lodge foundry itself, the store. I got it from Lodge online. It came in the other day, and I figured I'd unbox it and compare it to a regular skillet and tell you what I think and maybe fry up something to just give it a test run. All right, so let's get this bad boy open. And it is a bit of a box within a box. So, nice box though. And right away, this is still in the box. I can tell you right now that this is light. It's supposed to be 25% lighter than the regular cookware. And she's a beaut. Yeah, really, really light, super light. Wow. So it's got a much thinner casting. So that's what accounts for a lot of that savings in weight. Get this insert out of here. It's got like that glue. There we go. Get that out. And tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give this a quick wash, quick rinse, and I'm gonna bring it right back out. We'll compare it to the other skillet. After a quick rinse, I grabbed the 10¼ inch regular Lodge skillet so that we could compare them. And the first thing that I noticed when I was handling the Blacklock is it just feels much, much lighter. It's supposed to be up to 25% lighter. They do have different sizes. Again, this is the 10¼ inch skillet. So I grabbed the scale while I was inside, and I thought I'd give the old one, the old model, away. That is coming in at exactly 5 pounds. And now let's do the Blacklock. Get it centered. 3 pounds, 15 ounces. So it is just about 4 pounds. Definitely thinner casting makes a world of difference. The other thing that I've noticed is the sides. The sides are much more sloped. Supposedly it's supposed to be more spatula friendly than the original one, which is more kind of just down and over. It's much more of a flat side. This one's got a rounded, more scoop side. Also the handle, so it still has kind of the utility handle, and this is the handle that's quite a bit different. Kind of really, I like it. It's a little bit sharper in the hand. It kind of catches you right here just a bit, but it's nothing crazy, and typically you're gonna grab it with a towel anyway. It is designed with this kind of V-notch and less material to kind of prevent so much heat absorption. There's less mass there in its cutout, so it should be a little bit more air circulation. Should stay cool longer, although if it's on the burner for more than a few minutes, I'm not grabbing it with my bare hand anyway. I'm gonna have a mitt, pot holder, rag, something. I always do that, and I don't wanna get out of the habit, because if I switch back to this guy, I'm not gonna be happy. What else can I say? It still has the pour spouts, which are also really handy if you're trying to pour off some grease. And it supposedly has an extended handle too. So you can see that this handle is quite a bit longer than the original one. And I think that gets your hand just a little bit further away from where you're cooking, which is also gonna be helpful. As far as an everyday skillet, I think she's gonna be very, very happy with it. I don't know if it's 4 times as much happy, It is a little bit of a premium. I expect that price to come down a bit though. 15 bucks is hard to argue with delivered. It's one of the reasons why I got Amazon Prime so many years ago, is if you're gonna buy a Dutch oven, you might as well have it shipped for free because they are heavy. I think without much further ado, what I'd like to do is just throw this on a stove and get some bacon and eggs cooking and see how it handles. Camp stove's pulled out, fueled up, ready to go. I'm gonna do some of my homemade bacon and fry an egg in there. One thing that I do wanna point out is this isn't like, you know, the 80-year-old piece that your grandmother handed down to you. It does still have some texture there. I think it's, you know, a bit smoother than the regular run-of-the-mill skillet. It does seem a little bit smoother, but it's not, you know, it's not glass. That's gonna come with a lot of time and a lot of bacon. But anyway, let's fire her up and see how she does. All right, she's hot. Let's fire in an egg. Let's get that bacon on. Music to my ears. This thing was scorching hot a minute ago, and you know, I adjusted it down, wiped it out, no problem. Everything kind of slid right out, not an issue. And I'm here to tell you that although this is a bit warm, it's not like I could touch it. I could touch it for a few seconds longer at the end. So, you know, the handle is quite a bit better. Again, though, I would always use some type of a towel or a mitt on it. Let's fry up one more egg. I have one out here, and let's just do it for fun. This egg releases like nothing. And I'm gonna have to enjoy this little snack. Get out there and cook.